care of the battery. The camera is right here, and you're able to adjust it up or down depending on what you wanna, what your view you want to have. You can't control it from the you can't control it from your controller. This is a 2.4 hertz. This does have a USB port. You put the USB upside down and then push it in until it locks. That's going to hang out a little bit. And then get it out, just push it again, it'll release. Take it down so you can record straight from it. I have that. So let's fold that back up. Bottom's in first, top second, bottom in first, back out. Now this is, they want to say you can use it as a professional tool. Well, about as professional as you're going to get, we're going to find out. Now you do have two little LED lights. Your start button's right here, where on your Mavic, that's actually your battery. But you push that on, you're going to get some little headlights. Then you got your arrow, and then you've got a rear. Now you can fly this what's called headless, which means you can fly it backwards or you can fly it frontwards, depending on how you feel like you want to fly it. Turn anything off, just push the button, it goes off. Now the Mavic you can't go forward or around. You can't fly it headless. It only goes one way. Now with your controller, looks kind of similar. I wouldn't be surprised if it's the same company that makes the Mavic. Similar. On here you get your screen though, and then I've got it added so I can put a Crystal Sky 5-inch monitor on here. And this one here, you're going to use your phone. If you want to use your phone. I'm going to try flying it without the phone, because I don't think we're going to be that far away. Well, you technically, I guess, need your phone if you're going to do video, because you won't know what you're taking pictures of. So I'll be working on that. The bottom here is what drops down, and then you put your phone in here. There we go. Put your phone in here and lock it in. There's nothing to it to connect it to or anything. Not like this one here. You're gonna use your phone. You gotta plug it. You gotta plug it in through your USB port and that. Let's see. Here's your switch. I'll let you know it's on. You got your battery. Your blinking battery. Status. These two here control your up and down, takeoff and landing. Your other side are micro adjustments, and then you've also got micro adjustments here, micro adjustments here. On the front here, you got your buttons for. One was to start your recording. Another one is, where's my book? I'm trying to memorize that one, and then go back to memorizing that. It gets really, really sticky. You're just gonna have to work them all the time so your mind knows which one's which. This is perfect for beginners. Perfect for beginners. Let's see, what have I got here for? Okay, it's right here and here. Okay. Like I said, one touch. This one here is the one touch landing. The other one's one touch takeoff. I don't know how high it goes. We're going to find out. I don't know if it just goes up and sets or not. Now, you can do all this on your phone through the app as well. So, this is just the manual if you're just going to go ahead and use your controller. Let's see. This one here is your right wing micro. The other one is your left wing micro. Let's see. This one here is your forward micro adjust. And that one's your backwards. Back. Right, yeah, forward. One's forward. And that one's forward and backward micro adjust. And then, what was this saying on the front ones? The top one here is your photo video. The other side is your speed switch. The back one is special. You hit that one, suppose it'll do a 360-degree roll, and it's also emergency stop. So when it comes down on the ground, push it, everything should shut down. Don't do it in the air. Might not be a good idea. And then, let's see. Oh yeah, like I said, headless mode, which means if you're flying backwards, it's now forward. So it's going to be the way you perceive your controlling switches. And that's basically it. The other one's going to be just getting used to it. Now, to get the app, if you've got your phone set up that it'll read code reader, if you get the code reader app, there you go. Okay, you get the QR code scanner. Just kick on that, and then it's going to come up. Then what you do is you use your book, which has the scan in it. Yeah, anyway. The book here has got your scans right here. So what I used, you've got 3. Let me get back to the American side here. Okay, there they are, set in American. Let's see, you've got 3 different ones for Apple, for the iOS app, and use for foreign Andrews system app, and for the domestic Andrews system. So I'm going to hit the one for me. I used the middle one, which was what was it, the end? Maybe it was the end one, the domestic. And then what you're going to get something that looks like that. And then it's going to download it onto your. It's going to send you to Google Play. I think that's what I did, because it sent me to Google. You know what I'm going to send you to Google Play, and then I downloaded it from that. And now I have it on my phone. It's going to come.